At some point, miniaturization crossed the line. Not just smaller, impossibly small. Smaller than should be physically possible given what these things can do. A drone that soldiers carry into combat in a breast pocket. A flying camera that shoots 8K and folds into your jeans. A follow-me drone that weighs less than your phone. 5 of the world's smallest drones, all of them doing things their size says they shouldn't be able to. You need to see every single one. Number 1. Most military equipment is heavy, armored, built to take punishment. The Black Hornet 4 weighs 33 grams, and it is one of the most operationally significant reconnaissance tools deployed by modern armed forces anywhere in the world. The world's most famous palm-sized military Nano drone, and the one on this list that proves size has nothing to do with how seriously a piece of technology changes the way wars are fought. The Black Hornet 4 fits in a soldier's breast pocket. It launches silently. It flies autonomously or under operator control, transmitting live HD video and thermal imagery back to the operator's handheld display from distances and altitudes that keep the operator completely out of danger. Over 30 countries have deployed the Black Hornet operationally. It has been used in active combat environments across multiple continents. The noise signature is nearly zero. The radar cross-section is functionally invisible. The intelligence it gathers before a unit moves into an unknown building, over a ridgeline, or through an urban corridor has saved lives that larger, louder reconnaissance methods would have put at risk. 33 grams, real combat use. Active deployments worldwide. The Black Hornet 4 is the drone that changed what small means in warfare. Number 2. 8K aerial footage used to mean a professional cinematography rig, a licensed pilot, and a production budget that ruled out everyone except film crews. The HOVERAir X1 PRO MAX just put 8K in a pocket, and it's the drone you need to see because the gap between what it captures and how it's carried makes no logical sense until you're holding it. The world's first pocket-sized 8K flying camera folds flat. No propeller guards to remove, no arms to unfold, no pre-flight checklist that takes longer than the shot you came to get. Open it, toss it into the air, and it stabilizes itself automatically before you finish raising your arm. The follow-me tracking locks onto the subject and holds the frame through movement, speed changes, and directional shifts, delivering footage that looks like it was operated by a professional camera team from a machine you launch with one hand. 8K resolution means every shot has enough data for aggressive cropping, reframing, and post-production flexibility that lower resolution cameras simply can't offer. No controller required. The X1 Pro Max follows you, the way a drone should have always have. Number 3. DJI builds the standard that every other drone is measured against. The Neo 2 is DJI at their most accessible, and it's the drone you need to see because it proves that beginner drone doesn't mean footage you won't use. The Neo 2 is a follow-me camera drone so lightweight and so automated that it removes every technical barrier between wanting aerial footage and actually having aerial footage worth keeping. Under 249 grams, the weight threshold that removes the need for registration in most regions. A number DJI hit without compromising the stabilization, the obstacle sensing, or the AI subject tracking that makes the footage look intentional rather than accidental. Quick shots handle the cinematic moves that used to require pilot skill. Orbit, helix, rocket, droney, executed autonomously at the tap of a button. The drone figures out the flight path. You figure out what to do with the shot. Wind resistance and flight stability hold up in real outdoor conditions, not just the calm day the manufacturer tested it on. DJI Neo 2 is the drone that gets out of the way of the footage, and the footage is always worth it. Number 4. Professional aerial footage has always had one honest barrier. Not skill, not equipment, price. The Potensic Atom 3 removes that barrier, and it's the drone you need to see because the image quality it delivers belongs in a category that used to cost 3 times the asking price. Under 249 grams, 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilization. Not digital stabilization that crops your frame to hide the shake, but real mechanical compensation that keeps the horizon level through turbulence, through quick direction changes, through the conditions real shooting actually happens in. 4K 60 FPS output, a camera sensor that handles dynamic range in the high-contrast outdoor environments where most aerial footage gets shot. Bright sky, shadowed ground. The combination that exposes the weakness in lesser sensors immediately. GPS-assisted hovering holds position in wind without the constant correction inputs that make flying tiring. Intelligent flight modes handle the complex moves automatically. The Atom 3 is the drone that proves professional results were never about the budget. They were about the engineering, and Potensic brought the engineering. Number 5. Vlogging drones have always asked content creators to make a choice. Carry something capable or carry something that fits your life. The DJI Flip refuses the choice, and it's the first vlogging drone that genuinely belongs in the same bag as the rest of your content kit, without demanding its own dedicated case. Ultra lightweight, foldable to a size that competes with a large smartphone. Guard-covered propellers that make it safe to launch and land in the tight spaces where vlogging actually happens. Cafes, markets, crowded streets, indoor venues where conventional drones have no business flying. 4K stabilized footage. DJI's subject tracking keeps the creator in frame through movement, crowds, and the unpredictable environments that make urban vlogging both compelling and technically demanding. Front and downward obstacle sensing prevents the kind of collision that ends shoots early and begins insurance conversations. The DJI Flip is the drone that finally fits the creator's workflow, instead of the creator fitting their workflow around the drone. Thanks for watching TechQubix. Subscribe for more future tech.